Want to customize your website accessibility widget without changing your entire site design? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the Accessify widget, adjust its appearance and settings, and test its accessibility tools directly on your website.
Accessify supports a wide range of platforms, including Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Webflow, Squarespace, Wix, Magento, Joomla, Weebly, Elementor, Shopline, and many more. So no matter which platform you're using, you can manage everything from one dashboard. Let's get started. Log into your Accessify account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see all of the websites you've already connected. If you're setting up Accessify for the first time, you can simply add a new website. Since we've already added our site in the previous tutorial, let's open it. This brings us to the Widget Settings page, where you can customize how the accessibility widget looks and behaves on your website. At the top, you'll find several quick controls. You can enable or disable the widget for this website, hide the language selector, disable the interface, hide the widget icon, or remove the Powered by Accessify branding based on your preferences. Next, customize the appearance of your widget by selecting a primary color and background color that matches your website's branding. Below that, you can configure widget visibility. Display the widget on every page, show it only on selected pages, or limit its visibility to specific countries depending on your audience. Now let's customize the widget button itself. Choose your preferred button color, adjust the icon color, select the widget position, and choose from the available icon styles. If you already have your own design, you can upload a custom SVG icon for complete brand consistency. You can also resize the widget icon to make it more noticeable or keep it subtle depending on your website design. Next is live site translation. Enable this feature if you'd like visitors to instantly translate your website into different languages. Let's see how it works. Open your website and refresh the page. The accessibility button is now visible. When live translation is enabled, visitors will see the translation option directly inside the widget. If it's disabled, that option disappears automatically. Back in the dashboard, you can also choose where the language selector appears. For this example, we'll place it in the top right corner, save the settings, and preview the changes on the live website. You can always return to customize the widget icon, colors, size, or upload a different SVG whenever you want. For advanced customization, Accessify also supports Custom CSS, allowing you to match the widget perfectly with your website's design. Now let's configure the default widget language. Select the language you'd like visitors to see when they first open the widget. For example, we'll switch it to German, save the changes, and refresh the website to see the widget displayed in German. We'll switch it back to English before continuing. You'll also find voice settings where you can preview the available voices and save the one that best fits your audience. Now let's explore the feature settings. Here you have complete control over the accessibility tools available inside the widget. You can enable or disable categories such as visual adjustments, content adjustments, interactive profiles, and many other accessibility features based on your website's requirements. Next, open the Analytics dashboard. Here you can monitor widget usage, page views, geographic distribution, AI credit usage, and see which accessibility features visitors are using most frequently. These insights help you understand how users interact with your accessibility widget. Now let's return to the live website. Using live translation, visitors can instantly switch the website language. For example, selecting Chinese translates the page immediately. Switching to French updates the content again, making your website more accessible for global visitors. Let's explore the accessibility tools available inside the widget. Visitors can activate accessibility profiles such as motor impairment, blindness, dyslexia, ADHD, and many more with a single click. They can also personalize their browsing experience by adjusting font size, line height, letter spacing, reading masks, screen zoom, underlined links, dyslexia-friendly fonts, readable fonts, keyboard navigation, color adjustments, brightness, contrast, saturation, large cursor, text-to-speech, mute sounds, pause animations, highlight hover, highlight focus, voice navigation, reading mode, and many additional accessibility options. These settings allow every visitor to customize the website according to their own accessibility needs. Next, Open the accessibility statement. This page provides information about your website's accessibility commitment, compliance details, supported accessibility features, and other important accessibility information for your visitors. Finally, if you'd like to start over, simply click Reset Settings to restore the widget to its default configuration. You can then customize everything again based on your website's branding and accessibility requirements. If you need additional help, the customization guide is always available inside the dashboard. Accessify also includes real-time autofix capabilities, which we'll explore in detail in our upcoming accessibility audit tutorial.
And that's how you can customize and test the Accessify accessibility widget on your website. Review your settings and make sure the widget fits naturally with your site design. You can explore Accessify using the link in the description.